everybody, and welcome to another tutorial. My name is Kimberly, and today we'll be talking about the eraser tool in Adobe Illustrator, more precisely on how to change the size of your eraser. So it's fairly simple, and you'll see I have 3 different sizes here that I'm going to show you. It's the same technique, done the same way, just different sizes. Really easy task, so let's get it right into it. Before erasing any shape in Adobe Illustrator, make sure that you have it selected, like I do here. The basic eraser tool size is 10 points. So if I hold down Shift to make a straight line, here you have it. So this is the 10 points. I wasn't holding Shift down here, I guess. I don't know. Now, let's say we want it at 50. Now, this is a big jump for the next. You're going to double click on your eraser tool icon. You're going to have this small window pop up. And really, if you only want to change the size, the only important part is the last category, which is size. So I'm going to go ahead and put it at 50. Press OK. I'm going to come back down here to my shape. I'm going to press B to select it, then Shift E to erase. I'm going to go up. And there you have it. That's 50 points. Now let's say I want to bump it up a notch and go to 100. I'm going to double click again, go right here and write 100. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to go press B for my selection tool and select my new shape. Press Shift E to erase, Shift to make a straight line, and there you have it. So that's the easy way to change the size of your Adobe Illustrator eraser brush. Now, if you're curious about the other settings, you can go ahead. I'm going to explain it to you. If not, thanks for listening. You also have the angle option and you have the roundness option. So you can flatten out your circle. Sometimes if you're making vector art, it helps to go in those little nooks and crannies. You can change the angle. And once again, you can change the size. Note that the angle and the roundness can be changed up here with this icon, like so. So let's say I want to flatten it out a little bit, go like this, and go for 100 again. I'm just going to go right ahead and do this. And there you have it. It's as easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any comments, please let me know. I'll be more than willing to help you out. Make sure to like and subscribe for more fun tips and tutorials by me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thanks for listening.